Hi. We all know how painful it is to track your competitors' email flows, right? It's even more difficult to find the right inspiration or new ideas to create your own flows. On Panoramata, you can track your competitors' exact email flows, the ones that they're currently using, plus we give you some features to actually find new and original ideas so you can actually improve your own flows as well. Let me show you this right now. So I'm going to take as an example this coffee brand, JV Coffee. They're doing an amazing job in terms of email marketing and also their advertising strategy as well, especially at their funnel. So this is Panoramata. My name is Mehdi. I'm the founder. And on Panoramata, what you can do is actually to track all your competitors' marketing activity in a single place. Emails, flows, SMS, ads, landing pages as well. We do track everything for you, so you don't have to do it manually. And in a single place, you get access to all the updates, the marketing updates of your competitors. All right. For the flows, I'm going to get back at JV Coffee here. So basically, we do track their emails, landing pages, ads. We do have some benchmark and the softwares that they're using as well. And in terms of flows, what we do here at Panoramata is we do track at least 2 flows for every brand on the platform, 12K brands on the platform. And what we do is we do track at least their welcome flow and their last checkout flow as well. And it works this way. It's actually pretty simple. For every brand on the platform, you can have a look at here all the emails that they've been sending over time. And here on the flow section, you can access their welcome flow. All right. So this one is a few months old and you can see the first email they're sending, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one as well. Pretty much the same thing. You can go here and you're going to see their last checkout flows. We basically are tracking the emails that they're sending when you start to check out and then stop just before paying, and the 3 emails that they're sending. The first one, the second one, and the third one as well. All right. And on top of just tracking for individual brands the flows that they're sending, we also offer you 2 powerful features here. The first one is the flows search. The second one is the email search as well. So on the flows search looks like this, and you can basically say, okay, I want to have a look at all the last checkout flows that we do have on the platform in the fashion industry, featuring 4 emails. All right. Here you go. So you have the one from Parade, for instance, the first email that they're sending, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one as well. And here you have a chance to get new ideas for your own flows. Got it? All right, perfect. And in terms of the flows search, we also offer you with a super powerful email search as well. So if you're looking for ideas of new emails to send or new emails to integrate within your flows, you can use pretty much any keyword here and you're going to find the right example. Let's say that you're looking for a social proof email to add in your welcome journey, for instance. What you can do is type, for instance, reviews to get emails in English in the welcome journey, and here you have all the emails that we have in a welcome flow mentioning the keyword review. So you can go here, see all the examples that we have on the platform, and if one is particularly interesting for you, then you can just go ahead here and add it to one of your lists so you can save it for later, and even share a list with someone in your team or even someone external if you'd like to. All right. So those are a few ways you can use Panoramata to improve your email flows. Take care. Have an amazing day. And if you have any question, I'm here to help. Don't hesitate. Take care. Bye-bye.